네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 오늘 제가 소개시켜 드릴 제품은 파워위버사에서 나온 서지 프로텍터 파워 스트립입니다. 그러니까 한국말로 치면은 멀티탭이겠죠. 멀티탭인데 이제 서지 프로텍터라고 전류가 불안정할 때 자동으로 전기를 멈춰주는 제품이에요. 제가 이 제품은 아마존에서 구입하고 일단 박스를 열어보도록 하겠습니다. Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce to you guys with the surge protector that came from PowerWeaver. It's a 6 power outlet in one piece plus 3 USB, maybe 4 USB. I'll see. Let me try to open the box and share with you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, that's the box. Let's try to open it. This is the one, not that one. I'm going to review later. This is the one I'm going to review today. I'll show you. Let's move this out of here. Okay, this is better. Okay, I'll show you the box. This is the box, PowerWeaver. Let's try open this package. Of course, they have a seal. Let me lower the cam so you can see better. Okay, this is how it looks like when you open the box. And product itself. Oh, it's a 3 USB, not 4. And instruction. I usually don't read them. There's a contact information about the seller. If you have a problem, you can contact with them. That's it. Let's try to install, unplug this in the outlet and see how it goes. Let's remove the plastic back. It looks like this. The plug right here, and this is twistable 90-degree, but you need some kind of tool. Since I don't have a tool, I'm just stick this like this, and there's a 2 outlet on each side. Left side has 2, on top 2 plus 3 USB, and right side another 2, so total 6 outlet. So it will extend 1 outlet to 6, so you got 5 more outlet to connect. That's nice. Let's try to plug this in. Let me stop the video now and I'll try to plug this in and plug some device to work, whether it's work or not. Hopefully it works good. I'll stop the video now. I think it's working. Let me turn on the air free fire, and that's the Alexa, how's the weather outside?
In Howell, it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
And
Today,
also
you can
the
look for rainy
air
weather with
purifier
a
is
high of
working.
42 degrees and a low of 32 degrees.
Let's try this USB. I have to remove this. First one, you see the light image is working. Second USB working. Third USB is working. So everything's working. So you'll be able to power whatever the USB charging device, like your phone. It works fine. And also on the side outlet is working with your air purifier. And Alexa, let me just plug this one here. Oh, nice. So you have an open spaces here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more extra outlets plus 3 USB. It's working fine. Okay. Sorry, I dropped my phone. Hopefully this worked for a while, so I don't have to return it. Anyway, this was the review for this outlet, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.